Now, the newly formed Janata Parivar on Monday presented its united face. Mulayam Singh Yadav formally announcing that the Grand Alliance would go with Nitish Kumar as its chief ministerial candidate. Lalu Prasad Yadav confessed that since he couldn't contest and his children were too young, his party had no candidates for Bihar's top job.
The announcement that Nitish Kumar and Lalu Yadav will go into the coming Bihar Assembly elections as allies put a formal seal on the political patch-up over the last 2 years of these two Bihar stalwarts. Once friends, then bitter political rivals for over 2 decades, now friends again. Nitish Kumar was widely credited with being the backroom boy when Lalu became chief minister for the first time in 1990. But just a few years later, the two fell apart. Nitish disenchanted with the way Lalu and then his wife Rabri Devi ran Bihar. For 2 decades, Nitish courted the BJP, while Lalu went alone and then with the Congress. In 2005, Nitish Kumar upstaged the Lalu-Rabri combine in Bihar, and both leaders spent the next few years taking pot shots at each other.
सिर्फ अखबारबाजी, मीडियाबाजी, फोटो खिंचवाना, ये स्वांग रच रहे हैं, ढोंग रच रहे हैं बिहार के साथ।
हमारे बड़े भाई, अब उनका तो ये हालत है कि अरे भाई चुनाव होने वाला है, होने दीजिए चुनाव। उनको तो ऐसा लगता है जैसे लगता है हमको देखिए, हम बगल में जगह दे दिए अन्य मार्ग के बगल में। उनको लगता है कि कब छड़प करके अन्य मार्ग में पहुंच जाए, कोई गुंजाइश लगे। अरे भाई, हमारी तो कोई इच्छा भी नहीं थी उसमें जाने की। ये तो सब लोगों ने कहा कि उसमें जाओ, तो हम जब पहुंच गए हैं तो इतना आसानी से हम निकल जाएंगे।
This 2009 NDTV program in Patna, in fact, was just one among some very rare occasions when Nitish Kumar and Lalu Yadav left behind their famed political rivalry and appeared on one stage together. But the gloves were off all the way from the 2009 Lok Sabha polls till 2013, when Nitish dumped the BJP because of Narendra Modi.
पहले बिहार की चर्चा होती थी अपहरण के लिए या बिहार की चर्चा होती थी नरसंहार की, लेकिन अब चर्चा हो रही है कि बिहार में बेटियों को मिडिल स्कूल में जाने पर किसी जात की लड़की हो, सबको 2 जोड़ी पोशाक, 1 जोड़ी जूती और
नीतीश कुमार का जैसे गिरगिट चाल बदलता है, उस तरह से ये अपना चाल बदलते रहते हैं।
This newfound unity between Lalu and Nitish is dictated by political compulsions. Nitish needs Lalu's Muslim Yadav vote bank to upstage the BJP in Bihar. Lalu needs to stay relevant in Bihar's politics and realizes he can't do it alone.
इनको मैं धन्यवाद देता हूँ, इन्होंने ऐलान कर दिया नीतीश कुमार का नाम। हमारे यहाँ कोई नहीं था, हमारी पार्टी में भी कोई इस तरह का उम्मीदवार नहीं था।
The biggest question, is this unity a long-term one? In Patna, with Habib Ali and Manoj Kumar, this is Alok Pandey, NDTV.
बिहार के चुनाव पर सारे देश का निगाह लगा हुआ।